Hey everyone, many of you asked how I add my watermark to my edits. It's very simple, and I do it in InShot in under a minute. Let me show you step by step. First, open InShot, tap on Photo and choose any image. Now go to Canvas and select a frame size. After that, change the background color to light green. Then tap on Text and type the name you want as your watermark. Adjust the font size the way you like. Export this image. Now go back and tap on Video. Select the video or image on which you want to add the watermark. Here you can adjust your video if needed. This step is optional. After that, go to Pip and select the watermark image you just made. Tap on Cutout, choose Chroma, and set the strength to about half. This removes the background color. Then tap on Blend and choose Overlay. Now zoom, resize, and place the watermark wherever you want on the screen. And finally, export your video. That's it. This is how I create and add my watermark in all my edits using InShot's simple, clean, and very aesthetic. Hope this helped you try it once, and your edits will look more professional. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more editing tips.